detention to go 1024, that red Corvette.
Go ahead.
Be Highway 63 here at the red light at Walnut Ridge with Adam William Robert 55 Sam.
10-4. Jonesboro C12, are you correct? Yeah, or it'll be $1019. Thank you.
Roll the windows down.
Jonesboro Troop C, 1063, proceed 48.
48 Jonesboro, it's starting to take off.
10-4.
Red light here, Walnut Ridge taking off. It's 1037 northbound on 63.
810. Jonesboro C4 is correct. 410 to red.
Stop the car.
31 Jonesboro, 410-4. 10-4. Ridge. Okay, I'm leaving off this off. I'll try to keep that deal right here. They may.
Jonesboro, we're continuing northbound on 63 past 67.
10-4, northbound past 67. What's your speed and traffic?
Be 113 light traffic.
Simple.
Don't crash out. Pull the car over, girl. I doubt she's armed. I don't figure she is. I don't want to tear this little boy's car up. Sarah, pull the car over. Stop the car, Sarah. Sarah, just stop the car. Pull over so you don't get hurt, Sarah. Just stop the car. TVI, we're in the ditch. Sarah, show me your hands. Sarah! Sarah Bates, I know who you are. Show me your hands. Jonesboro, I have one at gunpoint. Sarah! Sarah! Shut the car off. Look at me. Sarah! Sarah Bates, look at me. Sarah! Shut the car off! 48, dispatch. 48 Jonesboro. We're going to be here on 63 near County Road 514, I believe. Sarah! Look at me. Show me your hands. Sarah! Show me your hands. '63 514 Road. Open the door and step out. Sarah, open the door and step out. Sarah, get over here now. You see what I'm holding? Listen to me. Get over here. Turn around. Get down on your knees. Face down on the ground. Lay down like an airplane. Arms out to your side. That was stupid.
Ow! God damn it!
What the heck is your problem? You're in a lot less trouble if you just pulled over. What the heck do you think you're doing?
What do you mean?
Get up. Get up. Listen to me. Look at me. You have the right to remain silent, Sarah. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, the court will appoint you an attorney at no cost to you. If you decide to answer questions at this time, you may do so. If at any point in time during question you'd like to stop and ask for an attorney present for any further questions or ask for answers, you may do that as well. Do you understand your rights as I've read them to you, Sarah?
No.
You don't understand which part?
No.
I know that. You already said that. Which part do you not understand?
All of it?
All of it? Okay. Well, here's what I do know. You're intoxicated.
I'm not intoxicated.
That's not your car. And you just ran from me at over 113 miles an hour and wouldn't pull over.
I didn't know.
You didn't know? That's why you kept looking down when I pulled up beside you?
Don't do that.
Get in the car. Sit down. Well, that was stupid. On your part. Yeah.
Sorry, next to 11.
You got anything illegal on your person? Anything you can't take into jail?
Nope.
Alright. You're on camera. You're being recorded. Don't move.
The liquor store's still closed.
That's why she turned around and left?
Yeah.
Hope I didn't hurt it bad. Feel bad for the old boy. Oh yeah, I think we're good. Just dirty.
Yeah. Got lucky it was wet. That boy did. I mean, no doubt because it was soft.
Yeah.
You wouldn't need a detail. Man, it could have been a lot worse.
Yeah.
Wow.